gotta clip it on your pants. Nobody would ever know. And of course it comes with a little baby reel, so I'm kind of excited about that. Got the little stop, slows it down. Okay, so the tightening part works too. All right, let's go ahead and try it out. So far, pretty self-explanatory. Just make sure these are level. Alright, so we'll put these on top. That's kind of exciting, actually. Alright, so I kind of prepared a little bit here with what I was going to do. So we'll do some monofilm, and we'll do the small, tiny little hook here. The idea here is to catch a fish, not to break the rod, so we'll just go with this. Then I use these little clippers here. They can hang on your belt. Got a couple little options here, but it just helps make the nice little cut right there. And then grab some of this braided. Let's load it up. So there's like a little pin in here. I don't know if you can see it, but you just want to make sure that you get your line kind of wrapped around that. And that way you'll be able to reel it in. There we go. And let's wind it up. All right, this should be good. So we'll just tighten this up, and it does work. We will cut it here. Let's put that away. All right, so back to the hook. I'll do is let's see, I got some of this stuff left over. I figured it's the perfect time to use it. All right, let's see if this works. So I had a feeling this might be a little bit too light, so I did prepare with just a really small sinker just in case. And I do think we need it, so let's go ahead and put that on. There we go. Nothing too fancy, just a little bit of weight. And here we go. Not really sure how you're supposed to cast this unless you just let it spin. Free spin. So I guess that's what we do. So let's try. No, not enough drag. All right, we'll just do it old school. I just don't think we're deep enough. Let me try to add a second weight to it. Maybe we just need a little bit extra weight. All right. A little bit heavier. I guess we just gotta manually let it out. Now they do have other spools too. I think that might have a button, but I guess with this big wheel here, it won't just fall by itself. All right, I think I'm at the bottom, so try it up just a little bit. Oh man, I had one. Oh, I still got it. All right. I can't spin it fast enough. I got something. Nice and slow. Look at that. Look at that. Let's do it. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? And it's not even bending that hard. Anything large with this. But as far as fishing goes, I mean, you can definitely have some fun. I'll try dragging it on the floor. See if we can catch maybe a flounder. Oh, we got one. We got something. Ooh. Oh, and I lost it, I think. Or do I? Oh, this is good. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's a decent size. That's actually a keeping size. All right, let's get in the water. It's not bad for such a small hook. All right, let's see if we can do that again. I really wish I could cast though. Yep, got one. Got one. So you see the reeling in part is kind of slow. So here's my opinion on it. I think the rod is great. It's pretty fun. You can definitely catch some smaller fish. Braided line, I think that was a great idea. This setup, not the best, but definitely works. So minimal. I like it. It's fun with this. I definitely would like the other kind of reel where you can like cast it, so I'll look into see if they have that available. If they do, I'll do another review. Let's see how it folds up now. So it looks like if you were to just put it in here, it would be cutting your line. I don't know if you guys can see that here. It's you would have to pretty much I want to say cut it every time. So let's go ahead and see how bad it is. I'll just go ahead and cut it right here at the setup. I guess you would take this and hook it under there. It's not too bad. So I guess you could just put that somewhere else. So that's nice, okay? You can tighten up your reel. Now this won't unscrew and your line is nice and stuck. So you got this, you got this, and you got this. And you know what? I'm almost wondering. So let's maybe take off the weights. Let's try this one. Let's see if we can store it in here. No, you probably can't. But look at that, I like it. You could definitely throw this in your glove compartment. And I hope this is helpful if you guys want to buy something like this.